Hi, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm actually gonna be working on my daily instead of the Mustang, because the Mustang I'm waiting on quite a few things. So there's not too many videos I can put out on that just yet, but I am waiting a couple of things that'll be coming in soon. So hopefully I can get some more content on that. But like I said, today I'll be working on the daily. I got a new set of black house headlights that I thought looked pretty cool. I haven't opened this box yet, so I don't know what it looks like in person, but we'll go and take a look at it. But basically, the reason why I'm changing my headlights is the old ones are really foggy, and just, they're really old headlights. They're the original headlights that came with the truck, and it has 144,000 miles on it, so it's pretty old. It's time for a new set of headlights, and hopefully it helps my vision. But yeah, let's go ahead and open up this box. I'll show you guys what the headlights look like, and then after that, I'm gonna go ahead and install them for you guys, and I'll show you how the install is. It's super easy, and yeah, let's go and get into it. All right, so let's go ahead and open this, see how it looks. Ooh, okay. Let me take out the box. And there you go, that's how it looks. Man, that actually looks really nice. Basically the whole headlight is black house except for the middle right there, and obviously the signal. You don't want to black house those, then I mean you won't be able to project any light anywhere. So let me go ahead and get onto taking out the old ones, and I'll show you guys how the old ones look so terrible, and I'll compare them to these ones, and then we'll go ahead and put these ones on. All right, so here's my daily. It is a 2006 Ford F-150. It is an XLT 5.4 3-valve. Pretty good truck. It's been pretty reliable. Actually, my dad bought this brand new and then passed it down to me. I don't have anything done to it besides just a muffler delete. Like I said, it's my daily, so I just want to do the maintenance on it, make sure it stays, running, unlike this car. And make sure it can take me to work and wherever else I have need to go. And I do want to do like small things like headlights and just make the truck look nice and decent. I don't want to put a lift kit or anything like that. I actually plan on maybe getting a new truck in the future, but other than that, let's go ahead and get into the install. Okay, so for removing the headlight, there's actually going to be 3 bolts holding it in. One's going to be right up here, and then there's going to be one right here at the bottom. You're going to actually have to move this flap over to look at that one, and then also same thing, move the flap over. There's going to be a third one right there by my middle finger. So go ahead and remove all 3 bolts. It is a 10mm. And then after you got those 3 bolts removed, there's going to be like a little tab right here. What you want to do is just go ahead and lift that up over and out of this hole right here, so that way it doesn't get caught in there when we try to pull the headlight out. And then after that, what I do is I grab a screwdriver and I put just like a towel around it, because you have to kind of pry it out from this edge. Then after I got it out like that, I should be able to just pull it out by hand. Cool. Sorry, it's a little difficult with one hand, but there you go. The headlight is out. Now there's going to be 3 lights holding it in, one right here, the main headlight, and the signal bulb. So just go ahead and twist this, pull it out, and yeah, it looks like I need to replace that too. And then the headlight, same thing, just twist and go ahead and pull it out. And same thing with the third light on the side, just twist it and pull it out. And there you go, that's how you take out the headlight. Okay, so there is my old really ugly headlight, and now the brand new one. A huge difference. I love how it's getting rid of this orange. I don't really like the orange reflectors on any car in general. Well, some cars it works, but most of the time I don't really like that. And one thing I really like about this new headlight, it actually comes with that bulb right there in the middle. So that's actually pretty nice. And now I'll go ahead and install the new one. All right, then now that after you got all the lights in, like I was talking about earlier, these 2 pieces right here, you're gonna have to go into that little square right there, and then that hole on the top. So you just want to go ahead and line it up, press it in, line it up, press it in, and then after that, lift this tab over, put it into that hole right there, and then watch out for this little plastic piece that might get in your way. And then after that, go and put the bolts back in. Alrighty, so I went ahead and I pressed the headlight in. Oh, one thing I forgot to mention, I'm leaving the plastic on purpose just so I don't get the headlight dirty. And then when I'm done with the install, then I'll go ahead and take the plastic piece off. So that's why I left it on for now. But I went ahead and I checked all the holes are lined up. So then now I can go ahead and put the 3 bolts in. Alright, so now that I got all 3 bolts in, the headlight is secure. I'll go ahead and move this plastic piece back to where it was. Just like that. And let's go ahead and take off this plastic wrap. Cool, and there you go. That is it for the install. And wow, that looks a lot better. And just to show you guys again, that's the before. And that's the after. It looks a lot nicer. I'm gonna go ahead and finish up this side, and then I'll close the hood and I'll show you guys how it looks. There you guys go. I went ahead and did the other side. Damn. Headlights make a huge difference on any type of vehicle, but wow, that looks a lot better, especially since my old headlights were really messed up. But I love how they look. And I also went ahead and checked all the lights. All the lights work as well. So those connectors are good to use. And that's pretty much going to end for today's video. Cool. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. And yeah, that looks pretty good. But yeah, go and follow me on Instagram if you want to see more content on, well, probably not the truck. But if you guys are curious on stuff about this Mustang, go ahead and give me a follow on Instagram. I do have a lot of videos coming up. I also post a lot of videos of my engine over there, which is covered up. So make sure you guys check that out. And, you know, one more look at the truck. That looks nice. But yeah, like I said, thank you guys so much for watching the video. Please leave a like, comment, subscribe. And I do have another video of this truck, me doing the muffler delete. If you guys want to check it out, you F-150 guys watching the video, you know, two or one of you guys watching the video, probably one person's watching the video right now still. It's me. I'm tuning in for the next video, whenever that is, and I'll see you guys. Bye.